Demo pensatem le demonye blah 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 blah. Say daddy. Daddy, I'm eating bread from Herman's Bakery. So daddy. Say hi daddy. Say hi daddy. Hi. Say hi daddy. Say hi.
Lady.
Hey, hey. Don't feed the floor. Hey. Stop. Don't. You eat that. Yeah, you eat. You eat bread. Yeah, bread you eat. See? Yeah, see? There. You pick a little bit and you put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Hey. You throw it down. He picked bread and then he bite into another one. Yeah. Oh.
Dolores, I'm in Remedio.
Who's Remedio?
Minha sister.
Oh. Wait, the other one? The one staying at the other house?
Yeah.
Hey.
House.
Stop it. Don't feed the floor, Calliope. Jeremy, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Daddy. I'm done eating.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Yay. Okay, bye.